morning, class 11. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bethiya. Students, for enhancing your knowledge and making you aware of this courses, we are uploading videos of different subjects. Today, I have decided to teach you second subgroup of present tense. Yesterday, I started tense and made you aware of the special usage of simple present tense. Now, students, this is the turn of present continuous. Dear students, this particular tense, present continuous tense, is also known as present progressive or present imperfect. The action of this tense shows that any action, any activity, any work started earlier, not much earlier, is still continue at the time of speaking. The important structures used for positive, negative and interrogative sentences are as follow: subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing, you can say V4 plus other words. Examples: he is reading, they are reading. Now move to negative sentences: subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V1 plus ing or V4 plus other words. This is general fundamental rule of how to change positive sentences into negative is that if any helping verb has been used in positive sentence in the capacity of helping verb, that helping verb needs not after them to change the sentences into negative. So here he is not reading, they are not reading. Now there is turn of interrogative sentences. Helping verb is brought in the beginning and rest of the structure is written as usual, and at last question mark or interrogative sign is used. Example: here, is he reading, are they reading? Students, these three important structures must be there in your mind and how to convert them into one another. Now this is the turn of giving you a special usage. So I am going to just make it aware. The first is that for action in progress at the time of speaking. Whenever you are speaking, that particular action must be in progress. You are telling lies. Second one, for action in progress about this time, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Suman is reading Julius Caesar, a famous book by Shakespeare these days. Here you find that the action is not continue at the same time but it is in progress. So this type of sentence, this type of structure follows present continuous tense. Third one is that for a definite action in the future, if any action is fixed in future, that action is given present continuous structure. I am going to Delhi tonight. Next one is that a persistent habit. It means the habit which is continue and which is done by the speaker most of the time is known as persistent habit. She is always backbiting. Next one is that for a temporary situation, I am looking for my wallet. So all these important and special usages are there that they should be kept in mind while you are going through present continuous tense. Student, I hope there should be no problem regarding that. Now some special verbs are there which are always used in simple present case. They should not be used in continuous tenses. Examples: dear students, I was reminding you just some special verbs which are not allowed to be used in continuous tense. They must be used in simple present tense, the verbs are see, hear, smell, notice, seem, appear, look, want, wish, like, love, hate, refuse, prefer, think, know, remember, forget, own, have, and possess. These are important verbs which are not used in continuous mode. Please keep it in mind. If you forget it and if you use it in continuous tense, this will go negative in your favor. So please keep yourself away from that tone and try to use them into simple present tense only. Examples are here. He seems to be a good. It is in simple present tense. V5 has been used here, so it is correct. He is seeming to be good. It is incorrect because continuous tense has been used. Next one, I know you. It is correct because it is in simple present tense, and next sentence, I am knowing you, is incorrect because it has been used in progressive or continuous mood. Now move to third one. She owns this building. It is correct because V5 has been used as the symbol of simple present tense, and next sentence is owning this building, just it is incorrect. Last example I am quoting, I smell a rat, is correct because it is in simple present tense, and I am smelling a rat is incorrect. So students, try to remember this and keep the verbs in your mind, because you have not to use them into continuous mode. You have to use them into what? Simple present tense, which structure is subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus other words. So students, this is all about present continuous, present progressive or present imperfect tense. Go through them and try to keep them in your mind. In next video, we shall move to third tense, which is present perfect tense. So please keep it and try to do the homework in your school copy only. Don't do the homework in any other copy. Thank you.